Wolf Creek Amphitheater presents an evening of classic soul on Saturday, September 15th, performing live.
Hi, we're the Whispers.
It's the Whispers. Russell Tompkins Jr. and the new Stylistics. Harold Melvin's Blue Notes. It's hosted by comedian MC Lightfoot on Saturday, September 15th at Wolf Creek Amphitheater. Tickets on sale at all Ticketmaster outlets or Ticketmaster.com. Call Ticketmaster at 1-800-745-3000. Gates open at 5 p.m. Show starts at 7 p.m. Wolf Creek Amphitheater presents an evening of classic soul.